New information after Baltimore police announced an arrest for the murder of a man in Federal Hill. Court records show the suspect had been accused in 2 separate crimes weeks before the killing. Alexa Ashwell has reaction to the handling of these cases.
Court records show not only is this defendant now facing a first-degree murder charge, but has 2 pending assault cases, prompting new questions.
Right now, Davian Johnson is being held without bond. The 31-year-old was arrested and charged with nearly a dozen criminal counts, including for the first-degree murder of Charles Brothers, according to Baltimore police.
100 block at East Cross. We got a mail down.
According to court documents, Johnston shot and killed Brothers following a dispute on Brothers' birthday in the parking lot of a school near Light Street in Federal Hill, December 28th. Court records revealed Johnson already had 2 pending assault cases, one that allegedly occurred 2 weeks before the murder on December 13th, and another that allegedly occurred 1 week before the murder on December 20th. In that case, a temporary peace order was granted against Johnson. And in both cases, court records show rather than an arrest warrant being issued and Johnson being taken before a judge for a bond hearing, a court commissioner issued a summons with a scheduled trial date.
He has not had any bond hearing. It's only a summons to appear in court on those first 2 cases.
Legal expert Kurt Nachman, who is not associated with any of the cases, breaks down the difference.
The judge is going to want to know, what the person's record is, what their ties to the community are, the nature and circumstances of the crime, as well as their likelihood of appearing in court, whether or not they've obtained an attorney or the services of the Office of the Public Defender. Those are all factors that a judge is going to look at. The court commissioner on the front end, when deciding to issue a arrest warrant versus a summons, number one, they're not going to have background information about the defendant other than a verified address. They're not going to run their information through case search.
Nachman touching on legislation he says has been supported by many Maryland state's attorneys that would change the way commissioners interact with the general public and their ability to issue warrants. As for this case,
obviously this is a tragic situation, and certainly I think all commissioners and all judges want to make the right decision, but the question comes down to what information they had up front. In other words, what information was presented to them.
Again, Johnson remains in custody with a scheduled preliminary hearing for the murder charge at the end of this month. Reporting in Baltimore, Alexa Ashwell, Fox 45 News.
I'm Kai Jackson. Thank you for watching. Here's another video to watch. Also, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel.